And those who perform shraddhs and pick up bones of the deceased after cremation, it is said in chapter Gita 9 verse 25 that those who worship ghosts will become ghosts. Those who worship deities will go to deities and become their servants in their worlds. And those who worship me will attain me. So even this concept has been clarified that these religious practices should not be performed. So Gita is one of a holy book of bhakti among other holy books. Now the topic that was going on was to find out who are the father and mother of Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. The concept has become clear. Durga is their mother and the Skal form Brahm is their father. Durga is also called Prakriti. Rajgun is Brahma, Satgun is Vishnu, Tamgun is Shiv. Let us also show this to you. Then we will show in Srimad Bhagavad Gita the origin of Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh from Durga and Kal. Please see this. This is Srimad Devi Bhagavat, that is Devi Puran, Shakti Puran, with Hindi commentary part 1. Where is it printed from? Ath Devi Bhagavatam Sabhashtikam Sahmatyam. Khemraj Sri Krishnadas publication, Mumbai 4. Srimad Bhagavat with Hindi commentary, 3rd Skand section begins. Now we are seeing its 3rd Skand. In this too, on page number 11, earlier we had seen Shiv Puran on its page 11, and this is 3rd Skand section, language commentary, 3rd Skand in chapter 5. Here we will read, Lord Shiv is saying to his mother Durga, O mother, if you are always compassionate towards us, then how come you made me dominant in Tamogun and Brahma in Rajgun and Hari in Satgun, that is, why did you endow Vishnu with Satgun? You look here. We will now read Sanskrit. Yadi daya dhramana na sadambike katha maham vivitache. If you are merciful mother, then how come you made me Tamogun? And Kamalajay Brahma ji, who originated from lotus flower, Rajogun Sambhava, how did you make him Rajogun? Suvitah kimuhu Satvagun Harihi. And how did you make Vishnu Satogun? Hence proved Rajagun is Brahma, Satgun is Vishnu, Tamgun is Shivji. Let us show you more, because virtuous souls, today we have built computers, helicopters, aeroplanes, sky labs, and don't know what else we made in this fake world. Our life is short, and this Kal did not even let us focus on what we actually had to do. We made atom bombs and became each other's enemy. And the thing that we were supposed to make, we did not even touch it, did not even start it. Now see this. This servant of God is making you do a PhD. It is your good luck that you got admission in this university, and you will attain salvation with this. This is Markandeya Puran. It has been published from Gita Press, Gorakhpur. Let me show you on page 123. Markandeya ji is saying, concise Markandeya Puran. It will begin from page 122. Let us see from here. Then there is a complete description on page 123. Markandeya ji said, this is Markandeya ji's message going on. Now we will see here on page 123. Now let us come over here. In this way, there are 3 states of self-existent God. Rajgun dominant Brahma, Tamogun dominant Rudra, Satogun dominant is the keeper of world Vishnu. These only are the 3 lords and these only are the 3 qualities. गुण तीनों की भक्ति में ये भूल पड़ो संसार, कहे कबीर निज नाम बिना कैसे उतरो पार। 3 देव की जो करते भक्ति, उनकी कदे ना होवी मुक्ति. Now this concept has been clarified that Rajgun is Brahma, Satgun is Vishnu, Tamgun is Shivji.